go to Ocean Garden Villas Cluster B. Passing through Cluster A. Here we are, Cluster B. Ocean Garden Villas Cluster B. Lobby, boxes, lobby, elevator. Available.
Lower ground, ma'am.
Lower ground 1. Katabi lang siya ng swimming pool and gym. So, very accessible. After the elevator, we have the gym area. Hi. So the gym. So after the gym, makikita niyo yung available unit. So nandito lang siya sa area na ito. Papuntang swimming pool. Available. Lower ground 1, unit A. From the elevator, gym. Ito na kagad yung unit. This is the unit. 1 bedroom. And then, going to the swimming pool area. So, on this floor, only 3 units. Turnover unit. Table, chairs included. And the kitchen, refrigerator, washing machine, built-in cabinet, sink, electric stove, hood range are included. Tiled, painted, with couch, center table, TV rack, bed foam, bed frame, side tables included, closet, small closet, and a turnover bathroom with sink and shower. Going to the balcony. Moving to the swimming pool. So, ito po yung swimming pool area. Napakalapit lang dun sa available unit. Ito yung swimming pool. And then, meron din siyang view of Katiklan. So, we are in lower ground, floor 1. Ganda. So, for available 1-bedroom unit, 24,000 monthly, 10% down payment, pwede ka na mag-move in. So, napakaganda ng pinaka-area and location inside Boracay New Coast Development. View from the balcony. Here is the balcony of lower ground. Unit C. Available unit, unit A. You can still see the ocean view. We are in the swimming pool area with the view of Katiklan. So from the swimming pool, going to the available unit. Ground floor, unit A. Hello po. gym, and elevator. Unit A, B, C, swimming pool, gym, elevator.